Create 1:1 composition. Take a solid layer. Select rectangle and draw over composition. Fill color none, stroke color black, and stroke size 3. Now center align this rectangle. Go inside the shape property. Inside stroke property, you will find dash. Click on dash and increase dash to 21. Now draw a circle like this to the every corner of the rectangle. And move the anchor point to the center of the circle. Since the following steps are same, I will fast forward this section to save time. Now move the anchor point of the rectangle to the top left corner. Now select all the layers and parent to rectangle. Importing a mouse pointer. Place it to the top left corner of the rectangle and adjust its scale and position accordingly. Then animate its position like this. Now select rectangle and animate scale property with the same timeline. Here is the animation. Turn on motion blur of every layer. Select keyframes and press F9 to easy ease. Inside speed graph, select both points and create curve like this. Here is the result. Now select text tool, type whatever text you want to. You can write text at the beginning of the animation and then align with the rectangle. After that, you can follow this entire process. Animating text with the help of animation composer. The text is wrong, so I am changing it. Here is the final shot.